Hi lads, it's King Kong for our first vlog, and we're about to go and see the movie Age of Ultron, and look what I've found.
And that cardo.
That cardo. It's my Christmas present. Yoy. You like my new car, lads? It's even got those racing stripes. Look at that. A sick car. Look at the engine on that. I've seen this car around. Didn't know the guy that owned it actually lived on the road. And then actually, so obviously that's not my car, but this is my ride. That's my ride. Still a soft top. But I'm going to be going to the cinema now, and I'll see you back then. We're in the car now, going on our way to see Age of Ultron. And our chaperone.
Yeah, cheese.
No, Alice.
So we're gonna go and see the movie Age of Ultron now. Should be fun. I've seen it before, but he hasn't. So, but yeah. So that should be fun. But you lads, getting our thing now. Ooh. Buy tickets. We're really late, so is it 2D Avengers? No. Back. Oh, we could have gone to the 12:30 one, damn it. Anyway, 3D. 11:45. 2.
Wait, what's the time now?
Standard seating. Children plus. Next. Without a voucher. Pay with credit or debit card. Continue without Odin. Next.
Insert your card.
Okay. Go.
Careful, don't point the camera.
Yeah. 9. Enter. So, you take the tickets, okay?
Where are the tickets,
We're
my
like
friend?
15 minutes late, 20 minutes late because... Take off your circles. Yes! You take the tickets. Let's go upstairs.
How many?
They're just receipts, etc. Let's go. I'm bored on Odeon.
Ow, what the hell?
I love this cinema. Whoa. Mad Max and Minions over there. Yay.
Should we
excited?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Hell yeah, America.
So bad.
Going back into the cinema, I'm gonna buy my sis popcorn. See ya.
I'm gonna quickly get some stuff.
Movie. My mate's gone. Hope you like my first vlog. Yoy. Boy. I guess. See ya.